There are lots of cool things to see at car shows. The 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the restorations, the customs, the cool upholstery, the utilitarian, the Beatles. Who doesn't love the Beatles? The rat rods, the badasses, the wicked, the lead sleds, the shoe boxes, the exquisite. My grandma, what big teeth you have. Here's an easy way to find car shows near you. Follow these 4 steps. Select your date range. Enter your zip code. Select your travel distance. Hit go. Found 95 events within 30 miles of 10464. You can sort these results by date or by distance. It's that easy. Just these 4 steps. Think this is a good idea? Please tell others about rubberhitstheroad.info. Thanks for watching.